What you have tuned in for is another Andre Nguyen exposed.
If any of you guys have trained before, as you can see, like I have marks on my face because I was sparring earlier.
Are you kidding me?
I'm an amateur fighter.
Bro, come on.
And train pretty much every day. There's a video of me sparring with some really good people. Don't give up. And they hire me because of my background.
Stop the cap.
So let me just kind of like explain the typical fee that people pay me for my services. This is not to brag.
Bruh.
In fact, these people decide my value, right? In the sense that if they're willing to pay me $9,000, which, you know, I was recently paid just to fix up some credit blemishes.
Are you kidding me?
And to give some person some advice, well, that's the value that they see in the service. I charge them $20,000, that's the value that they would, you know, receive. That's the value that they would see. Wow. These people are paying me a premium, right? I have clients that are CEOs, business owners, stuff like that.
Bruh.
Because they know my credentials, because they were referred by somebody that has
Are you
credentials.
kidding me?
Keep in mind, I was mentored by the pioneers of credit repair. When I say the pioneers of credit repair, I mean the people that went and created the Fair Credit Reporting Act,
the cap.
the Fair Debt Collections
Stop the
Practice
cap.
Act, the Fair Credit Billing Act,
Stop the cap.
and the amendments in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, such as the Fair and Accurate Credit Card Transaction Act that happened in 2003. The people that were expert witnesses to, to these FTC cases.
Bruh.
I have their cell phone numbers. I have their home addresses.
Stop the cap.
I can text them. I can email them.
Stop the cap.
I can get them on a phone call.
Stop the cap.
But I wouldn't share those special contacts that I have.
Bro,
Sure, Amit Kumar.
Andre, it's amazing that people still trust you to fix their credit. It's also amazing that clients will trust you when you treat them with respect. My clients respect me, and they trust me because I genuinely want to help them. Without the respect of the people, Andre, you are nothing, and we are everything credit.